secret.
It's agency territory, right? US friendly.
Not anymore. And that's why we're here.
Someone not dancing to Uncle Sam's tune?
The old president was assassinated by the new president, Pandak Panay, his son. And he won't pick up the phone.
He doesn't sound much like a people person.
Right. He's attempting to eliminate all opposition. Sheldon was trying to figure out his agenda when he disappeared.
So, what? He's gone dark before.
Not like this. Worst case scenario, he's gone rogue.
So what's in it for him?
I don't know, Rico. But if he has turned, you gotta take him out.
That's a bitter pill, Kate. Sheldon taught me everything I know.
Which is why you're here. You know his M.O.
I can't argue with that.
We gathered all available intel onto these memory cards. Marshall here will download them onto your PDA. Damn it! That's incendiary stuff on those cards. If they fall into the wrong hands, it's gonna be one hell of a firestorm back and forth.
Whoa! The natives are restless!
Someone doesn't like us.
Panawan military. I recognize the flash. Please throw them the stuff. Back from there!
Oh, hell. I was running out of ammo anyway. Don't wait up!
Marshall's is dead, but he's still got your PDA. Catch up with him before he crashes into the ground. Damn memory cards are sprinkled like confetti all over the place. Good thing they've got tracers. Land outside of that base.
Big guns for such a small island.
There are 5 remaining memory cards, all full of compromising intel. You better haul ass before the locals get their hands on them. Use your grappling hook to get inside the base. Take that guard out.
Alert! Alert! Reporting hostiles in the sector! All units, intercept!
Hey you! Stop there!
find a gun, Rico.
Hostile!
I've got a lock on another memory card.
That'll come in handy.
I'm taking fire!
Incoming hostile chopper. Use the flak cannon. There's another memory card up on that cliff base.
Hostile spotted! Attack! Attack! Where'd he go? Hey, you!
Rico, one of the soldiers is making a run for it with the memory card. Stop him. Grapple onto that tramway car, and then slingshot with the parachute to skydive down there.
We got a positive! Send backup! Stop it! Take cover! Don't let him get away! I see the target!
He dropped the memory card. Get it quick. Use the grappling hook to latch onto the chopper hull. I'll drop you off so you can pick up the last memory card.
You bastard! Hands up! He's out in your butt!
Okay, hotshot, hang tight. I'm gonna make a pass around that building. Get your guns out and deal with any rooftop hostiles. You always have to do it your way, huh? Well, get on with the mission then. Sam, damn it, I have to pull back. Find some explosives and take them out. Then I'll come pick you up.
Flank him! For the glory of Panau!
Good job. I'm coming back to pick you up as fast as I can. Keep yourself alive.
God damn it, Kane! You better get a move on!
I'm inbound. Stand fast and give 'em hell.
Running out of options, Kane!
Don't worry. Use the grenades. Do your stuff. I'll be there soon.
Well, you better make it quick, or you'll have to bring me back in a dog food can.
The idea appeals to me, but somehow I doubt it's gonna happen.
This is getting ridiculous, Kane. Next time it's you on the ground and me in the chopper.
Chain of command, baby. It's all about chain of command.
Find you weapons, basket! Defending in the compound!
Go, go, go! Get out of there now!
We have a visual! Requesting backup!
So much for the element of surprise.
Yeah? Oh, you think we blew our cover?
You got the memory cards, so I guess we're still one step ahead.
And where does that step take us?
The agency's last contact here on Panau, Carl Blaine.
What's his story?
A Swedish ex-charity worker, now a professional gambler and alcoholic.
And we trust a guy like that?
No, but we've got no choice. Blaine knows more about this island than anyone. Now kick back for a while. Enjoy the ride. Okay, here we are. Let's go find Blaine.
People of Panau, it is I, your beloved captain. Today I have issued the order to close down and clear out the den of foreign decadents called Panau Falls Casino. All foreign nationals in this casino will be rounded up and tried before deportation. Let it be known that those who harbor foreign criminals and unpatriotic scum will be brought before the court and tried.
Seen some dumps in my time. This place?
Under siege by unsound and immoral influence.
It's worse than we expected.
Who are you? What is your business here?
I'd be careful now.
We're friends of Carl's.
Carl has no friends.
Apart from you, Jade Tan, you're his girl, right?
Huh. You must be spooks.
Spooks, hoping to talk to Carl.
You're way too late, lady. He's at the casino.
What? That casino?
Sure. That's where he makes his living.
Yeah, we're dying ain't much of a living. We need to get there, fast.
Then you better hop on. They'll swap that bird out of the sky on sight.
I gotta go, but I'll keep an eye on you. Help you out if I can.
So, honey, let's go.
Adios!
You'll stop. If you hurry, you might just save his sorry ass.
You don't think too highly of him.
If the government gets their hands on Carl, they'll sure come looking for me too. So, as of right now, I'm over the bump. And out of here.
Maybe I see you again.
Or maybe not. This island is a playground to some, but a graveyard to others. Salamat jalan, spook!